Trianga Mukhaekapada Paschimottanasana. Start in sitting position and slowly bend your leg and bring your inner feet to your outer hip. See that the knees are well aligned and together. The toes looking on the back, they shouldn't look on the side. Slowly inhale, stretch the spine and exhale, bend forward. Bend forward from the hip, keep straight the spine and reach forward with your sternum. See that the upper arm remains in the socket and shoulders are relaxed and away from the ears. Keep it for a few breaths and after, for inhale, come up. Now let's see an easier version how you can do it with a belt. Again, bring your inner feet to the outer edge of the hip. Slowly inhale, stretch your spine and exhale, bend forward from the hip. Place the belt to the ball of the feet and feel as there is an inner power in the body. Keep your shoulders relaxed, keep your neck relaxed. It's very important that the the sitting bones should stay evenly on the ground. For the next variation, raise your hands above your head. Keep the upper arms next to the ears all the time and with an exhalation slowly bend forward 45 degrees. Feel as the core strengthening while your hip is remaining grounded. And now let's continue with Krounchasana, the heron pose. Bend the other leg as well and slowly grab your feet from the inside and from the outside and slowly start to stretch your feet towards the sky. If you cannot stretch it fully, don't worry about it. In the full version, we touch our chin to the calf, but it's completely okay if the leg remains a little bit bended. I show you how you can do it with the belt as well. It's very important that the hip is always remaining grounded, sacrum inside the body and the spine also inside the body as the upper arms into the shoulder blades. Now I show you an easier version where the other leg is turned inside, the heel is close to the groin. And eventually I show you a version without hands, which I really keep useful for the core engagement.